Cupcake Nistas, it's Marisha, and the sun is out. That means that I can do these delicious videos for you guys. Flowers are blooming, floral cakes are coming back. My great grandmother used to grow hydrangeas, so whenever I think of hydrangeas, I think of her. I decided to make for you guys these beautiful hydrangea cupcakes. It is so simple. Literally, the magic is in the piping tip and the colors that you use. You can definitely do different colors. You can do orange and pinks and yellows if you want to. But generally, yes, they come in like blues, purples, green hues, and such like that. See what that says right there? It says subscribe. And then press on the notification bell so that you'll actually, you won't be subscribed in vain. You'll actually know when I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get started. So we have a variety of colors here. It's yellow, we have a deep blue with white, and then a deeper purple with a violet. And all of these colors combined is what's going to make the gorgeous hydrangea flower effect. And to make that effect, I just poked the mess out of that. We're also going to be using the 1M tip. The first thing that I have done is taken the top off of my cupcakes. Just taking the dome off just by cutting it off. I ate that. That was a snack. You're going to pipe short spurts of buttercream. You're going to swivel and swirl your piping bag so that you get all different colors. Cover your cupcake completely. And the coolest part about cupcakes like these is that each one is going to look a little bit different. They're going to have a different range of colors. And hydrangeas do have little centers, so if you want to go back and pipe in little dots using a number 3 tip, you can. Or you can just leave them like this. This is a perfect cupcake for Mother's Day. This is a perfect cupcake for the springtime and the summertime. I think if somebody's a little bit mad at you, if you gave them one of these, they will automatically smile. If not, at least they'd take the cupcake and then you wouldn't owe them anything any longer. So that's how gorgeous this cupcake is. I actually made a hydrangea cupcake bouquet once. I had a video of it on this channel. Don't know where that is. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Couture and a hydrangea cupcake. Bye guys. I hope that you guys give these cupcakes a try. I think a hydrangea cake, oh my gosh, would be beautiful. Stay tuned for my daisy cupcakes. I also did daisies. So if you'd like to see that video, check in the description below. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, Cake Nistas. Here.